Hey everyone, this is Corey. I'm doing today's update video for our Barbarian game. Mike is experiencing some audio difficulties. There's something loud going on at his residence, so he can't be on the microphone at the moment, but he is with me here. I want to go over the various things we've gotten done over the past day. The first thing is this new environment I've been working on here. It's a swamp environment. And we decided to change things up a little bit with this environment. We are going to have a humanoid enemy that's going to be sort of the creature of the Black Lagoon type of guy. And he'll be, sort of fish-like. We haven't made him yet, but we decided instead of an alternate version of that guy, we would do this toad-like character or animal with spines, and he might have some sort of jump roll attack where he uses his spines and stuff like that. So we're going to be doing that. We've got also our flying enemy here is our insect with a stinger. It's just my first version of him. We might tweak him a little bit, and obviously the wings are going to be nice and animated and everything once he's finished. But so this is what we've got going here. Switching over to the Mike's rough stuff going for this gargoyle environment, the cave. What he's been working on are different behaviors for the gargoyles. They're going to hang upside down on the ceiling, but they're going to be very secluded, as you can see there, camouflaged by their wings, basically. And they will drop down sort of like an assassin with a bone knife and try to hit you. Then they're going to have a sort of behavior where they might jump away using their wings. And then at that point, they're probably going to do something like throw the bone dagger at you and then turn into what we would have as a regular enemy, which is just a guy that doesn't have a weapon but uses his claws to attack. So that's basically what we've got going on for the cave environment. And we've also implemented the alternate Ramman who throws explosives, and Mike's going to run this here so we can take a look at it. You'll see him come in. He's got the little sack full of explosives. And here in a second, there he is. And works pretty nicely. Coming at you. But working fairly well. We've got a few kinks to work out, of course, but this level's looking pretty nice. We also implemented the alternate Falconman. There is a Falconman that comes in with a sort of boomerang type blade that he uses, and he's a little different than the alternate Ram guy. So you can see his behavior and how it works here. Yep, there it goes. It's got a shield, and if you hit the shield, you damage the shield. You can see the shield damage there, and then if you hit it again, he loses his shield. So they're a little bit tougher to beat than the regular enemies, and they try to keep their distance and use their boomerangs, or whatever you would call those things. I'm sure there's a name for it. But eventually we're going to have possibly the ability to hit the boomerang and knock it away. We're not sure if it'll go back at the guy or up in the air. We got to play with the gameplay a little bit, and we'll be creating more of those construct videos to show us implementing some of those things. But that's pretty much it for now. We have more on the way. We have plans for additional things. So stay tuned, and we'll see you later.